Hey there. Today, let's discuss a common confusion in the research world: the difference between methods and methodology. First up, let's talk about methodology. Methodology is the philosophical foundation or approach behind your research. It's the broader theoretical framework that shapes how you think about and approach your study. In simpler terms, methodology answers the question, why are you doing your study this way? It involves the research paradigms and theoretical principles. You choose to explore your research question. For example, you might choose a qualitative methodology like phenomenology or grounded theory. These frameworks allow you to understand experiences or develop a new theory based on data. So, methodology is all about the underlying thought process or philosophy guiding your research approach. Now, where does this go in your manuscript? You'll typically place the methodology section after the literature review and research questions section, right at the beginning of your methods chapter. This is where you provide the theoretical framework for your study, explaining your research paradigm and approach. All right, moving on to methods. Methods are the specific techniques or tools you use to collect and analyze data. These are the practical steps that allow you to carry out your research. Methods answer the question, how are you going to gather and analyze the information for your study? For instance, you might use interviews, surveys, observations, or focus groups to collect data. Afterward, you'll analyze the data using methods like thematic analysis, statistical analysis, or content analysis. So, methods are all about the specific actions or procedures you take to gather and interpret data. And where do you place this in your manuscript? The methods section comes after your methodology. This is where you explain the practical steps you used to conduct the study, including details about sampling, data collection, analysis, and ethical considerations. In short, methodology is the theory or philosophy behind your research and goes in the early part of your manuscript, typically after the introduction and literature review. Methods are the specific actions you use to collect and analyze data and go in the methods section after the methodology. There you have it. Hope this clears up the difference between methods and methodology. Keep researching and see you next time.